Swap me!
It's time to swap our meat. Oh, great. Instantly.
Alright, perfect. Damn, my circle sucks. Where am I going? I'm gonna be at like 80.
Wow. Y'all are way over there. You get second, though. This is one where minigame placement actually matters. It hasn't mattered
Okay,
since Boarding
good.
Island. I want Billy to go instead of Pierre. There we go.
Correct decision. Oh,
Kentaro's...
Kentaro has a perfect board, what the fuck?
Kentaro almost won. Oh my god. This one? Yes! I love this minigame. Dude, the minigame selection on this is awesome.
I hate the minigame.
Fuck you, Ren. That's Kentaro. Fuck you, Ren. Nope. There we go. Fuck you, Ren. Fuck you, Kentaro. No! Give me. Fuck you.
Can I hit
Fuck you.
the most? Why am I hitting the air? No!
Yes!
Why? Let me get second, bro!
I'm just doing everything in my power to not let, like, Kentaro win or something. Oh, I am way in first. I never looked at the points.
Yeah, you imbecile.
I mean, it's still
Yeah,
got
still at second.
Blue there. One to go. And Kentaro just traded one of your Miis for the win.
Great.
And you just got 8 points. Girls? What do you mean girls? Oh, I got 4 points for 1 to go, my color plus boys. The minigames are great today.
The minigames are awful today. I'm literally in last!
Sick. This is such a minigame, dude. You got third. I want yours for this one. Aw, the worst minigame of all time.
The best minigame of all time.
I hate
I
this
won this
minigame
one.
because I just cannot win it ever. Come on. Please! No!
Yes! Okay, I didn't get last. I don't know how they got so fast, but you know. Take the gamble. Come on, platinum.
Why did you-
What are you doing? Oh my god!
Why did you throw away the red? What's my option? Green? I hate green. Fuck you.
The one minigame I stood a chance of winning, I didn't win. And I'm last. I love this game. I really love Wii Party. Wii Party fills me with so much joy!
Red. And I want you there.
Please, please be a trade. Please be a trade. Oh, oh, please make this orange. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, perfect. Orange.
Oh my goodness, yes, yes, yes. Come on, come on.
The orange.
Pick the blue one. Pick the blue one myself. Use your brain and pick the blue one. I fucking hate you.
The end.
I should have said anything because I knew your fucking bitch ass was gonna do that.
Okay.
Ah, let's go. No!
Get cooked. I would have gone second if you just shut your yapper. Not how you
I
would
wanted
like.
the blue one, but then when you stole my blue one, you got last. I just threw away everything.
Everyone threw away. Oh.
Fuck. This is bad. This is really bad.
No!
And of course it's Ram Jam! No! No! Why Ram Jam?
Fuck, 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 fuck.
I hate Ram Jam. I hate this minigame. Watch this! Watch this! I'm gonna lose! Did you see that? I always get a lead in Ram Jam and then lose! How did you choke that?
I should have stayed on the left. I would have won.
I got second in Ram Jam? What is this? Bro, can I get a trade me?
Sure,
I want your mother. Please, I stand a chance. I stand a chance. I need to win this. I need to. I need this. Please. Please. AI, don't do something stupid. AI, don't do something stupid. AI, don't do something stupid.
I fucked that up so bad.
I think I just won. Oh,
It's a dice roll.
I hate everything. I just had the perfect opportunity to win. 3 points, fine. No, 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 no. Fuck off. Fuck. Well, you know your first 2 cards now. Thanks, Rin.
The second time this happens, by the way. Editor, pull up whatever recording it is. I think it's spin-off part 1. It's this one. Sick.
The 4th one.
This one. That one. Can Taro just win? He's stupid. Okay.
Don't sell. Do not sell this. Go for the second.
Top 10 smartest people.
What are you doing? Great. Great. Nice going, me. Now I'm gonna get last. I'm fucking done with this shit.
Top 10 smartest people of all time.
Oh no. No. I remember what happened the last time. I was right in front of there for second place, and then I just stood there like an idiot. I'm standing.
Sick.
Editor, can you pull a machine gun and fire one into my Mii's face? Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna fuck over Kentaro. I want this in exchange for this.
Okay, you have to take the gamble, Poking Bear 6.
Genius. Oh, great. We're getting
Oh, great. Oh, great. Just awesome. I love this minigame. I love this minigame so much. All of the Wii Party minigames never fail to fill me with fucking joy. Sunshine and rainbows. Second, yes! Rin, you suck. I hate watching everybody besides Rin at this point. Fucking Taro and fuck you. Please, take the gamble. Yes! You did something smart! You did something smart! Oh my goodness!
Yes!
I want last. Trying to lose! The sequel!
Dude, trying to lose. That's what we in the business call a reference to something that just happened.
No, I'm winning. I'm trying to lose here. Oh, goddammit, I got second! I don't want second! I'm trying to lose!
Trying to lose. Alright, give me a blue.
Fuck you.
It's incredible.
I was so close to my win.
What the fuck? My set's so good.
Great, of course. Just of course, you know.
I just fucked it up again.
Yes, dude! Wait, no, this is expert, so my Mii is more likely to fuck this up. Oh my god, that was horrendous. That is the worst thing I think I've ever seen. Don't. Thank you. You used your brain. Look at me and Kentaro. What the fuck is this? This isn't bagging. This isn't Mario Kart.
No. Take the clear me. Trade
Please take
me.
the gamble. I just sabotaged Rin.
Alright, well,
My Mii just made the best play of the fucking year. Oh no, not Shutter Pup.
Dog minigame.
I would be fine at this if I was on Master, but because I'm on Expert, I'm going to airball everything. Okay, good. Thank you for not making Rin win.
Rin win.
Rin win. Rin win.
Rin win.
Wait, please win this. Please win this. Please win this. I'm going to jump off a bridge. Steve, please, Steve. Ah! Please win, please. I need this. I would just kill myself here. Fuck you, Ren! Kentaro just won. I hate everything, dude. I was one away again!
Yeah, me too. I could have won that minigame and I would have won.
Shut up! You have how many points? I have 6!
You have 6. There are 4 points.
4 points, yay!
You're
4 points!
Ren.
4 points! Just kill Kentaro. Murder Kentaro. No. You don't have to be the bad guy. You don't have to be the bad guy!
Perfect.
I got last.
Not yet. Fuck you, Kentaro. Okay, good.
Can we actually murder Kentaro?
Oh, I just got traded back into the fucking pits of hell.
1 to go.
Fuck!
Great, great. I love Barrel Daredevil. I love Barrel Daredevil. I definitely didn't get like last in both times we played this minigame. Yep, I got hit in the head. Thanks. I love this game. I love Board Game Island. I meant freaking Swap Meet. Swap Meet fills me with so much joy. I'm so happy right now, and I'm going to lose this freaking tiebreaker because I never win a tiebreaker. Watch this. I'm 2 steps ahead because, of course. Okay, you didn't win. Wait, no, you did win. That's what I meant to say. You did win.
I am 1 to go, and I'm banking on Rin, like, just throwing out Kentaro's win here. You're so fucking stupid. You just threw the game right there. Because now Kentaro's gonna take his purple and fucking win, and that's it. The game's over.
Thanks, Ren. You're so awesome, Ren.
Fuck you, Rin.
You lost by 1. None of us won today. This game mode sucks.